Day's route, heading south on the M42, M5, M50, A40, and finally some wiggly little Welsh roads with various interruptions for putting on board essential victuals for the forthcoming week. You join us actually on the M5 round about Eveshamish, so enjoy the rest of the journey. After miles of 50-mile-an-hour speed limits and roadworks, the M5 clears, and a couple of miles later it's leave the chaos of the M5 and join the remarkably quiet and little used M50. About 20 miles of this and we will leave the motorway network and join the old trunk road, the old A40, as it heads down deeper into Wales. I always enjoy driving the M50. It's quiet, most of the drives are pretty polite, and it gets me into the lowlands of Wales fairly rapidly. The M50 ends and it turns onto the A40, which will follow for about an hour or so. Sadly, it goes through a number of towns and villages with 20-mile-an-hour speed limits. Okay, but people joining those roads don't seem to realise that 20 mile an hour is still faster than walking pace and do pull out in front of you. Number of times I had to slow down fairly violently to avoid T-boning some idiot coming out is not really repeatable. I think the Welsh Authority, so-called government, needs to rethink and scrap this before too many people are killed this summer. Anyway, rant over, carry on. nearly there now. First of all, a pit stop at Tesco's. Oops, no, I did not want to go into the petrol station. The entrance to Tesco's store itself is another few hundred yards up the road. Have to turn around and find a parking space and go over and pick up the pre-ordered goods and have something to eat and drink, a quick tour of the car park, and then carry on down wiggly woggly Welsh roads to Goytre Warf, avoiding cyclists en route. Most of them are fairly well behaved, but one or two could really learn that which side of the road to ride on, rather than swerving around and nearly hitting the right hand side hedge, which is very silly on a bike. It hurts. And I finally arrive at Goytre Warf and park up. End of journey.